gonna make a quick melody. Let's use Analog Lab. Okay, 3, 4. I don't know if I've used this progression before, but I'm just gonna try it out. I'm gonna hold off on this, just have it loaded up, and then I'm gonna do like all the percussion first. This is really handy as well. I've been using this a lot. Probably seen me use it, but I just like that you can have the arrangement view open, because obviously if you come over to the session view, you're just working with clips. I just want to be able to see what I'm working on, and it's there in front of you, and you can sort of just like arrange it. You can obviously do that in session view, but it just doesn't work for my workflow. I would, however, like if we could somehow minimize this section that's got like MIDI. I don't really need that on, it's useful here in specifically the arrangement view, but if we just open this, don't really need this here. All I just need to do is see my levels. Don't know that I love this.